Once again, welcome back in a math class. In a previous lecture, we have solved the exercise 8.1. Today we are going to discuss about trigonometric ratios of special angles, that means specific angles. Ratios of specific angle. In a previous lecture, we have find the sin A, cos A, tan A, cosec A, sec A, cot A for angle A. In this lecture, we have find the sin A, cos A, tan A, cot A, cosec A, sec A for angle is the given that angle may be 30 degree, angle may be 45 degree, angle may be 60 degree or angle may be 0 degree or 90 degree. Okay students, that means trigonometric ratio of specific angles. First we take them one by one. First, trigonometric ratio of 45 degree. Okay student, we find the trigonometric ratios for 45 degree. That means we wish to find the value of sin 45 degree, cos 45 degree, tan 45 degree, cosec 45 degree, sec 45 degree and cot 45 degree. Okay students, we take a right angle triangle, right angle at B, that means angle B is the 90 degree, and we take the one angle of this triangle is the 45 degree because we find the trigonometric ratios for 45 degree. We take the one angle A is the 45 degree. In triangle ABC, right angled at B, angle A equal to 45 degree, if angle A is the 45 degree, then angle C is the also 45 degree. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Here angle B is the 90 degree and we take the angle A equal to 45 degree, then angle C equal to 180 minus 150, 35. The sum of this angle C equal to 45 degree also. Okay students, if we take the angle A is the 45 degree, then angle C is the also 45 degree. Then angle C equal to 45 degree. Here in this triangle, angle A, angle C are equal. Angle A and angle C are equal, which are 45 degree. Then the opposite side of equal angle, opposite sides of equal angle is the equal. That means opposite of angle C side is the BC and opposite side angle 45 degree is the BC. Here sorry, opposite sides of angle C is the AB and opposite sides of angle A is the BC. Both are equal. Okay students, that means AB equal to BC. Here only take a angle A equal to 45 degree, then this is a right angle triangle, then angle C is the also 45 degree and both angle are equal, then the opposite side are both angle are equal to each other. Okay student, suppose AB equal to BC equal to A. Here we consider that the length of the AB and BC is the A and find the value of AC using by Pythagoras theorem. Using by Pythagoras theorem, we find the value of AC. AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square equal to A square plus A square. Here the value of AB and BC are A. This implies that AC square equal to 2A square. This implies that AC equal to square root 2A. Square root 2A. The value of AC is equal to square root 2A. Okay student, and value of A equal to AB equal to A and BC equal to A. Only we suppose sides of AB is the A and BC equal to A, then we find the value of AC equal to square root 2A. Our next target is to find the sine 45 degree. Sine 45 degree, sine for the angle A. That means for angle A, sine A, sine A equal to students, sine A equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. You know that sine A equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. That means what is a perpendicular? Perpendicular side is the BC. Perpendicular side is the BC and hypotenuse is the AC. If you take the value of angle A equal to 45 degree, then sine 45 degree is equal to perpendicular side का मतलब BC. BC, what is the value of BC? BC is the A and AC is the square root 2A. This gives the sine 45 degree is the 1 upon square root 2. Okay student, the value of sine 45 is the 1 upon square root 2. You understand this concept and we find the all of trigonometric ratio for 45 degree. Okay students, here our target is to find the sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot for the angle 45 degree and both angles are equal, then opposite sides are equal. Okay students, here only we take a one angle, angle A is the 45 degree. We suppose that the length of AB and length of BC both are equal, which is A, then find the value of AC. AC is the square root 2A by using Pythagoras theorem. Then sine A equal perpendicular side is on hypotenuse. here perpendicular side is the BC and hypotenuse is the AC. Then sin 45 degree is the A upon square root 2A and sin 45 degree is the 1 upon square root 2. Okay students. Similarly way we find the cos 45 degree. What is a cos 45 degree? Cos 45 degree is the base upon hypotenuse. Here base is the AB and hypotenuse is the AC. Cos 45 degree is the AB is the A and AC is the square root 2A. Cos 45 degree is the 1 upon square root 2. Okay student. Cos 45 degree is the 1 upon square root 2. Again we find third is the tan 45 degree. Tan 45 degree is the perpendicular side upon base, that means BC upon AB. What is the value of BC? The value of BC is the A and the value of this gives the tan 45 degree is the 1. Okay students. Now fourth, this is the first, second and third. Fourth is the cosec 45 degree. Cosec 45, cosec theta is the reciprocal to the sin theta. That means cosec 45 is the hypotenuse upon perpendicular side. Hypotenuse upon perpendicular side. Here hypotenuse is the AC and perpendicular side is the BC. AC upon BC. Okay student. This implies that cosec 45 degree is the, what is the value of AC? AC is the square root 2A upon A. This gives the cosec 45 degree is the square root 2. Next we find the sec 40, the value of sec 45. Sec 45, sec is the reciprocal to the cos theta. That means sec 45 is the hypotenuse upon base. Hypotenuse upon base. Here hypotenuse is the AC. Hypotenuse is the AC and base is the AB. Sec 45 degree is the value of AC is the square root 2 upon A and value of AB is the A. Sec 45 degree is the square root 2. Okay student. And last is the cot 45 degree. Cot is the reciprocal to the tan theta. Cot theta is the reciprocal to the tan theta. That means here tan is the BC upon AB. Then cot 45 is the AB upon BC. Tan theta is equal to, what is the tan theta is equal to? Student, tan theta is equal to perpendicular side upon base. Then cot theta is equal to base upon perpendicular side. For the angle A, cot 45 degree is the base AB and perpendicular side is the BC. Then cot 45 degree is the AB upon BC. Cot 45 degree is the, what is the value of AB? AB is the A and BC is the also A. The value of BC is the A. Then cot 45 degree is the 1. Here we find the value of sin 45 degree is the 1 upon square root 2. Okay student. Here we find the sin 45 degree is the 1 upon square root 2. Cos 45 degree is the 1 upon square root 2. And tan 45 is the 1. Cosec 45 degree is the square root 2. Sec 45 degree is the square root 2. And cot 45 degree is the 1. Okay student. You are understand trigonometric ratio of 45 degree. Angle 45 degree. Now we discuss the trigonometric ratio of 30 degree and 60 degree. Next point is the trigonometric ratio of 30 degree and 60 degree. Here the value of 45 degree is the pi by 4 radian. We convert the degree into the radian, then we simply say that 45 degree is the pi by 4 radian, then sin pi by 4 is the also 1 upon square root 2, and cos pi by 4 upon is the 1 upon square root 2. Okay student, similarly we another trigonometrical ratios. Trigonometric ratios of 30 degree and 60 degree. Okay students, our next target is to find the value of all trigonometrical ratios sin, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot for the 30 degree and 60 degree. Okay students, we find the value of sin 30, cos 30, tan 30, cosec 30, sec 30 and cot 30. We take a equilateral triangle. We take a equilateral triangles ABC. We take a equilateral triangles ABC. Each interior angle of the equilateral triangle is student 60 degree. We know that the each interior angle of equilateral triangle is the 60 degrees. That means angle B, angle C, angle A, angle C, each angle are 60 degree. Each angle are 60 degree. Okay student, and we draw perpendicular line from A to BC. We draw perpendicular line from A to BC, which is known as the AD. AD is the perpendicular to the BC. That means angle this is a 90 degree. Here we use this concept and find the value of sin 30, cos 30, tan 30 and cosec 30, sec 30, cot 30. Okay students, here triangle ABD and triangle ADC are congruent to each other. Why? AB equal to AC, which is the sides of equilateral triangle, and angle ADB, angle ADC are equal because both angle are 90 degree, and AD is the common side. AD is the common side. Then by using the property of the congruency, we can say that triangle ABD and triangle ADC are congruent to each other, and angle this and this angle are equal. Then if the complete angle is the 60 degree, then this angle is the 30 degree and this angle is the 30 degree. Also using this property, we find the value of sin 30, cos 30, tan 30, cosec 30, sec 30 and cot 30. Okay students, let triangle ABC is equilateral triangle and AB equal to BC equal to AC equal to A. We suppose that the side AB equal to BC equal to AC is the A. Draw a perpendicular line from A to BC. BC is AD. Okay, students. Since triangle ABD are congruent to triangle ABD are congruent to triangle ACD. Why students? We draw a perpendicular line AD to BC. That means this angle and this angle is the right angle, and sides, this side is a common, and side AC and AC and AB are the sides of equilateral triangles, and this angle are equal. Why? We draw a line perpendicular to the BC, angle BC, angle ABD, angle ADC are 90 degree, angle B is the 60 degree, angle C is the 60 degree, then angle BAD and angle DAC are 30 degree. If angle this is the 90 degree and angle B is the 60 degree, then sum of the interior angle of triangle ABD is the 180. If it is a 90, it is a 60, then its angle is the 30 degree, and this angle is the 30 degree. Then by the using SAS, the triangle are the congruent. Then angle BAD equal to angle DAC is equal to 30 degree. Okay, students. We find the trigonometric ratio for 30 degree. That means in right angle triangle, triangle ADB, AB is the A, which is a given that, and BD equal to DC. Why? ABD are congruent to the ADC. Then the corresponding part of the congruous triangle are the equal. Then we can say that BD is equal to DC. If this is a congruent, then BD equal to DC. Okay, student? And complete BC is the A, then BD and DC is the A by 2, and AB is the A. We find the value of AD. In the right angle triangle ABD using by Pythagoras theorem, Pythagoras theorem, AB, square of AB is equal to square of BD plus square of AD. Here the value of AB is the A square and value of BD is the A by 2 plus AD square. This implies that AD square equal to A square minus A by 2 whole square. This implies that AD square equal to A square minus A square upon 4. This implies that AD square equal to, here students, 3A square by 4. This implies that AD equal to square root 3 by 2A. Here square root of 3 is the square root 3 and square root 4 is the 2 and square root A square is the A. Then the value of AD is equal to square root 3 by 2A. Okay students, in a right angle triangle ABD, three sides are given that the value of AB is the A, the value of BD is the A by 2 and the value of AD is the square root 2 by square root 3 by 2A. Okay students, you understand? If any confusion, you will ask. Okay, we find in right angle triangle ADB, in triangle ADB, find the sine 30 degree, sine 30 degree. Here roughly we draw a figure. This is a 30 degree and B, D, A by 2 and A, which is a square root 3 by 2A. Okay student, the value of AD is the square root 3 by 2A and the value of BD is the A by 2 and the value of AB equal to A. Okay, we find the sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot for 30 degree. For 30 degree, sine 30 degree is the, sine 30 degree is the, here sine is the, sine 30 degree is the, sine is the, student, sine is perpendicular side upon hypotenuse. That means BD upon AB. Okay students, sine theta is the perpendicular side upon hypotenuse. In this figure, for angle 30 degree, BD is the perpendicular side and AB is the hypotenuse. What is the value of BD? Value of BD is the A by 2 and the value of AB is the A. This implies that sine 30 degree is the 1 by 2. A will be cancelled. Okay student, similarly we find the cos 30 degree. Cos 30 degree is the base upon hypotenuse. What is the base? Base is the AD and hypotenuse is the AB. Cos 30 degree is the value of AD. The value of AD is the square root 3 by 2A and the value of AB is the A will be cancelled, then gives the value cos 30 is the square root 3 by 2. Okay student, tan 30 degree is the, tan is the perpendicular side upon the base, perpendicular side is the BD, perpendicular side is the BD and base is the AD. Okay student, tan 30 degree is the, What is the value of BD? The value of BD is the A by 2 and the value of AD is the square root 3 by 2A. This gives the value tan 30 is the A cancel, 2 cancel, 1 upon square root 3. 1 upon square root 3. The sin 30 is the 1 by 2, cos 30 is the square root 3 by 2 and tan 30 is the 1 by root 3. Again we find the value of cosec 30. Cosec is the reciprocal to the sine. Okay students, here sin 30 is the BD upon AB, then cosec 30 is the AB upon BD. What is the value of AB? AB is the A by 2. AB is the value of AB is the A and the value of BD is the A by 2. Cosec 30 is the A cancel 2. Similarly, we find the sec 30. Sec 30 is the reciprocal to the cos. That means AB upon AD. What is the value of AB? The value of AB is the A and the value of AD is the square root 3 by 2A. Then sec 30 is the 2 upon square root 3. Okay student. Again we find the cot 30. Cot 30 is the one reciprocal to the tan 30. That means we can easily say that 1 upon square root 3. This gives the value cot 30 is the square root 3. Okay students, here we find the value of sin 30, cos 30, tan 30, cosec 30, sec 30 and cot 30. Okay students, again we find the value of sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta for 60 degree. Your figure is the same. Figure is the same. A by 2A square root 3 by 2A. Okay. Only we take angle B. Angle B is the 60 degree. Angle B is the 60 degree. Sine 60 degree is the sine is the perpendicular side upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular side is the AD upon AB. Okay students, sine 60 degree is the value of AD. The value of AD is the square root 3 upon 2A upon A. Sine 60 degree is the A will be cancelled, square root 3 upon 2. Okay. Now find the cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree is the base upon hypotenuse. Base is the BD and hypotenuse is the AB. What is the value of BC? What is the value of BD? Sorry student, what is the value of BD? The value of BD is the A by 2 and the value of AB is the A. Then cos 60 degree is the A will be cancelled 1 by 2. Again we find the value of tan 60. Cot 60, sec 60 and cosec 60. Okay students. Tan 60 degree is the for angle B. tan theta is the perpendicular side upon base. Okay. Then for angle 60 degree, perpendicular side is the AD and base is the BD. Base is the BD. Tan 60 degree is value of AD. The value of AD is square root 3 by 2A upon A by 2. The value of BD is the A by 2. Tan 60 degree is A cancel, 2 cancel, square root 3. Okay students. Now find the cosec 60. Cosec 60 degree is, cosec is the reciprocal to the sine. Cosec is the reciprocal to the sine. That means 1 upon sine 60. This gives the value. What is the value of sine 60? Sine 60 is the square root 3 by 2. 2 upon square root 3. That means cosec 60 degree is the 2 upon square root 3. Similarly, we find the sec 60. Sec 60 is the 1 upon cos 60. This gives the value. Cos 60 is the 1 by 2. 1 upon 1 by 2. This gives 2. Sec 60 is 2. Okay students. And quad 60. Quad 60 is the 1 upon tan 60. What is the value of tan 60? Tan 60 is the square root 3. 1 upon square root 3. That means quad 60 is the 1 upon square root 3. Okay students. We can find also using by the triangle ABD. Cosec 60 is the hypotenuse upon perpendicular side. Hypotenuse upon perpendicular side A upon square root 3 by 2A. This gives the value also. Similarly, we will find the sec 60 and cot 60. Okay student, you are understand the value of sin 60, cos 60, tan 60, cosec 60, sec 60 and cos 60. Okay, in our next lecture we will discuss about the trigonometric ratios of 0 degree and 90 degree. Okay students, thank you.